Jimmy here. Today I'm going to continue my best friend bitter enemies with RVD versus not Michael. RVD versus Triple H. I gotta say this is one of my hardest matchups because I couldn't really do it enough on time. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully we can do it again. I don't know. Let's see. And we have Shawn Michaels as special guest referee. And I think I remember this one. Triple H. If I remember correctly. Yeah. Hopefully I can win this. But they had cutscenes, so I can't just grab a chair automatically. Pin RVD. Got it. And Mel RVD. Let's try to Mel him first, so then I can pin him. And I didn't think he could win it, but he believed and went on to become World Heavyweight Champion. Get back out of here. Oh, don't flip the tights. And right hand and right. Oh no, come on. Nice dodge there. Where's that? He's him. Hey you. Suck it. Hey Shawn Michaels. Suck it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. There we go. One thing down. One down. Oh, here we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, I need him on the face. Already. Stuck it. That's funny. And oh man, look at me. I'm trying to weaken heads. What? Come on, keep him down. Hand, right hand, and right hand. Okay, there we go. Now let's pin him. Woo! Oh, no, right hand. Nuh-uh. Okay. What? That's a real slow count. He's mad. Man, that was real. Okay, wow, that's messed up. Wow. See if we can do it again. Oh. 1, 2, what? Wow. Fast guy, like 1, 2. That was it. Well, let's see what I can do now. Right hand miss. Right hand. Oh man, here we go. Oh no, this is the part that I messed up on. X. I hit it. Hit him with a chair, hit him with a chair. Go, 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 go. You gotta be kidding me. No! Where the chair, where the chair, where the chair? No, get out of here. I need to kick him down before Shawn Michaels sees him. No. No, 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 he's down. Come on, get up. Come on, get in here. Hurry. Hurry. Come on. Come on. Perfect. Bam. Whoa. Nuh-uh. Oh my gosh, no. Shawn's out. Come on. Come on, hit him with your one more time. Michael's still out. Wow. Come on. No, he's getting up.
Back into the ring now. Oh my.
No, it didn't work.
Not like this.
Ugh. Didn't freaking work. I'm gonna try that again.
Piggyback. I didn't think Shawn Michaels would ever return to WWE.
Ugh.
He came back at SummerSlam
Do it again?
Triple H in a street fight. Yeah. I never thought Shawn Michaels would get in the Elimination Chamber and fight for the World Heavyweight title, but he did. And I didn't think he could win it, but he believed and went on to become World Heavyweight Champion.
I hate this one.
Overcome so much, not just to return to the ring, but to become World Heavyweight Champion.
I need to literally like reverse everything so they can get like no momentum and I can just run outside the ring. 2 and 3. There you go.
You hear how his leg connected?
Oh.
Oh, what a painful kick. And he does it one more time. Oh, man.
Knee him right ahead. There you go. Come on. Try to beat him up with like a...
New York City, WWE superstars took part in the famed Thanksgiving Day Parade. Among those on the WWE float were Mr. McMahon.
Here you go, the pin.
And the man in the ring right now, Triple H with the cover. I'm not paying attention.
And you already seen this part.
You gotta hand it to Shawn Michaels. He's not exactly...
Let me just get all the damage to his head. So here's no submission to his head. There we go. Now I'll try to like keep him like right near the ropes. Easy. Oh shoot, my bad. Last time let's see if I got another one. Carl B is B. Or he's down now. Okay. Or he's down. I need to take him out inside the ring and get to one D side, yeah. Alright, hit him. Wait for it. Got it. Okay. You gotta be kidding me. Neck breaker.
You know, it wouldn't surprise me if Eric Bischoff came out here and stripped Shawn Michaels of the World Heavyweight Championship right now. Oh, come on, King. Why in the world would you say that? What? Michaels hasn't done anything to warrant that happening.
Oh, hit him. Okay, I hit him. You gotta be kidding me.
Michaels is obviously the wrong man there.
Okay, that work? Yes, it did. That's 2. That's 3. Ha. The one time I like cheating. 2, 3, right there. Take me 2 times. 2 times to win. 2 times. I am. Oh, coming back. Sorry, that's my controller vibrating. Oh. Oh man, this is a brawl. Yeah, I can already tell this is the end cutscene. So yeah. So I want to say, I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Preach. Ha! You hit it. Please turn music. Let's see a cutscene, and that's it for the video.
Won this match, but he sure didn't win the fight.
There we go. And there we go. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time.